How to check card number on Apple Cash. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly view your Apple Cash card number. So first, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Then, once you're in the Wallet app, scroll down a bit if needed and look for your Apple Cash card. Then tap on the Apple Cash card to select it. Then this will bring up your card details. In the top right corner, you will see three dots. Go ahead and tap on those. So this is where you can access additional options related to your card. From the menu that appears, select card number. So this option will allow you to see more details about your Apple Cash card. Now, Apple will then prompt you to verify your identity using Face ID. So just look at your iPhone to authenticate. So if you're using Touch ID or a passcode, just follow the on-screen prompts. So once you have verified your identity, you will see all the details of your Apple Cash card. So this includes the full card number, expiration date, and other relevant information. And that's it. You can now easily check your Apple Cash card number. So if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.